Hello, and welcome to Leaving My Comfort Zone. Alright, so this video is a drone flight. I enjoy flying. I like flying just for the sake of flying. So that's what this video is. It's for flying, looking around. I also use this for seeing the work that I accomplished. And if you look, you'll see that. And I did get a shot of looks like a falcon or something flying by. It was actually at a certain point, it was eye to eye. The bird had stopped eye to eye, and it was looking at the drone. Unfortunately, the drone was in the wrong angle, and by the time I turned the drone around, you could see the bird flying away. But it was really kind of nice to see that because he was checking it out because he was looking at this drone and he didn't know what to make out of it. So he kind of stopped when he was flying and he just kind of hovered there for a little while. Man, I wish I would have got that picture. But I did get him flying around. Okay, so and in this, if you look closely, you will see I did see my water down there uh, briefly with the drone. I never got down there, but you'll see. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put a little music to it, and this is just for kick back and relax if you like to fly around. That's why I got the drone, because I wanted to learn how to fly, but hey, flying costs money and it can be dangerous. So I invested in some drones. All right, so anyway, thank you for visiting Leaving My Comfort Zone.